Hi everybody, welcome back to Nutrition with Jen. Today we're gonna make a fabulous dish using avocados. Because if you remember from some of our other videos, avocados are a medium chain triglyceride that is really good for beating inflammation. So we're gonna make guacamole. What's better than guacamole? We are going to use 2 avocados. Now put them in your bowl and make sure they're nice and mashed. I always like to mash the avocados first because if you get everything in there at one time, it's gonna be kind of a pain. Plus, you're gonna want some other stuff whole as opposed to mashed. So once we get that all together, we are going to add 2 Roma tomatoes. That's gonna give it a lot of flavor and a really pretty color. Plus, tomatoes have a lot of antioxidants in it as well. Then we're gonna add half of a diced onion. If you don't like raw onion, you can always saute this in a little bit of olive oil before adding it to your dish. Finally, from the vegetable standpoint, we are going to add half a clove of smashed garlic. You can use less or more based on your personal preference. I like to use about 1 to half a clove depending on the size because I don't know if you know, but nobody wants to smell like garlic all the time. So we're gonna mix that all in. Oh my God, the colors are amazing. I mean, check this out. Can't get much better than that. It's gorgeous. Then we're gonna add the juice from 1 lime. That's about a teaspoon we're gonna add in there. That actually gives a little flavor, but prevents all the veggies from browning. So it's kind of like a preserving agent, but an organic, healthy one. Then we're gonna add just a pinch of salt. I love Celtic sea salt. Again, you get the minerals in there and not all of the sodium. We are then gonna also add a little bit of cayenne pepper. I'm not a huge fan of spice, so I'm using just a tiny bit, but you can always pump it up and do whatever you want. You could also add jalapenos, habaneros, any type of spicy pepper in there, some cilantro if you wanna give it a little fresh taste. Again, I'm not a huge fan of cilantro, so for me, I'm gonna modify it to what I want. Then finally, a little bit of ground cumin. This is just gonna give it that extra flavor that we want in there. Mix it all together. Oh my God, it smells so good. You guys are gonna wanna make this. I mean, it's gorgeous. Who wouldn't wanna eat that? I love it. I personally love to eat it on organic corn chips, tortilla chips. You can put it on salad. I know it sounds weird, but adding it to your salad gives it a really good flavor, and then you'll get more veggies in. So, I hope you guys will make this recipe. I thoroughly love it. I eat it almost every day, and I will see you guys back here really soon.